Welcome! Today, we'll learn how to build a custom ElevenLabs text-to-speech app using Gemini AI. First, ensure you have your ElevenLabs account and the Gemini AI API key ready. Next, we'll dive into the coding environment. Use any IDE you love to write your app. Implement the ElevenLabs API to convert your text input into speech effortlessly. Incorporate Gemini AI to compare various voice qualities. This enhances your app's versatility. Finally, test your app thoroughly. Gather feedback and refine for optimal performance. Once you finalize your features, prepare for launch. Make your app user-friendly. Promote your app across social platforms. Sharing is key to gaining users. Monitor user interactions closely. Adapt your app based on real-time data. Regular updates and improvements will keep your users engaged and satisfied. And that's it. You now have a custom ElevenLabs TTS app powered by Gemini AI. Get started today and elevate your voice technology experience.